In front of me is TCL 305i, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and selecting Allow in the pop-ups. When you finished, click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the same one. To delete your recording right away, use this pin on the left and confirm your choice in the pop-up. To end it and save it though, click on the check mark on the right. Now name your recording however you want to and select Save. As you can see, mine is over here. To play it, click on it. To delete it, you need to hold it. Click on Bin at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!